welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning into another video. For today's video, I will be trying out a new detangle and deep condition routine, okay? So I'm going to be using some products. I'll be using a detangling brush and I'll be using a heat cap for this video. So this brand called Hairtuber sent me this Detangling Essentials Kit, and it comes with a heat cap and a detangling brush as well. So I will be using these for today's video. So I'm going to open it up and show you guys what is in here. So this is what my heat cap looks like, and the pattern I have is called Peacock Plume. And how pretty is that? So cute. I love, love, love this pattern. And then I also have this detangling brush, so you guys can see. You can actually see my hand on the other side. And also it looks like it has like, oh, it comes apart. Oh wow, that is neat. Interesting. I'm excited to see how this is gonna go. I've needed a denim brush or some sort of detangling brush for the longest, so I'm actually really excited to have this. I was using a Tangle teaser, but I feel like it ripped out my hair a little bit too much. So these bristles are a little bit bigger, and hopefully they're a little bit more sturdy to where it'll just have a clean swipe through rather than hooking on to strands and kind of ruining them. So let me talk about the products that I will be deep conditioning with. So I will be using TGIN's Rose Water Hydrating Hair Mask. I'll also be using Jamaican Black Castor Oil by Do Grow, and this is the Hair, Scalp, and Skin. Okay, so I'll be using these together. I'm gonna do a little deep heat treatment, and I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair with this new detangling brush. Alright, so I have my hair completely detangled and twisted. So I put my heat cap in the microwave for about 2 minutes. In the package, I also got some caps that you can put on your head so that you don't mess up your heat cap and get it messy. And it came with quite a few. So here's one. Alright, so I've got on my clear cap. Now I'm going to take my heated cap and I'm going to slide it right on top. I also love how tight the heat cap is. So I know that the heat is thoroughly soaking into my hair and getting into my strands and allowing the mask and Jamaican black castor oil to just warm up and soak into my strands. I also wanted to mention the shedding that I had from using this. So I'm going to pull out all the hair just so you guys can see how much hair loss I have. For me, when I use detangling brushes, I'm going to see some sort of hair loss. So this is the shedding that I had, and it's not too much shedding. It's kind of what I would expect using one of these brushes. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and keep this on for a good hour, and I'll be back to show you guys my rinsed results. Alright guys, so I have had the heat cap on for a good hour now, and I unraveled my twist. But before I rinse, I just wanted you guys to see how hydrated and moisturized my hair is. The mask is still in it, but you guys can see just how it's melted into my strands and how hydrated my hair looks. When you add heat, it really does go the extra mile in making sure your hair is moisturized on wash day. Alright, so as y'all can see, I'm fresh out the shower. My hair loves doing hot oil treatments, which I just did in a previous video, and doing deep conditioning with the heat cap. My hair loves that stuff. So I'll definitely be wearing the heat cap more often and using that on my wash days more regularly. I enjoy switching it up from time to time, so this is going to be a part of my new detangling and deep conditioning routine. And I've just really been enjoying taking care of my hair and watching it flourish over these past few weeks. I'm going to go ahead and style my hair. Thank you guys for tuning into my new deep condition and detangle routine.